Hey everyone! So I had put together some pictures, some screenshots of how to submit your assignments through Google Classroom, but then I realized why not do a video because it's going to help so many people. And then that way you can watch them anytime you need, and I'm still more than happy to do a video conference with you if you need to through Facebook chat or Messenger. Either way, I'm more than happy to be there for you. Once you log into the Google Classroom, you'll go to this screen and it'll take you right here once you go inside. This screen should be really familiar to your student. You'll want to go over here to the classwork, and each day you'll have a list of things that your student will be able to see what they have to do for the day. Now, sometimes it does seem like there's a lot, but some of them are just your Go Noodle activity for the day. That's 1 minute. An answer key, where to get your biome project, a Zoom conference call. So I just like to keep them a little bit separate so that the students can feel really accomplished when they're marking everything off. So if you click on the first assignment, this is really easy. We do this every morning, or we did every morning in our classroom, just to get their brains and their muscles going. So you can click on that, click on the link, and push play. You can make it bigger if you need to, or smaller if you need to. And as it buffers, eventually it will get open there for you, but you can close out of it. Say you've watched it and you're done. You'll go right here to View Assignment. Click on that, and over here on the right side of the screen, you'll see this, and you can click Mark as Done. Now, it's going to ask you, you didn't attach anything. Well, it's a video, so you don't have to attach anything. So you can mark as Done, and it will, and if you go back to your main page here, the icon now turns gray. So each time it's gray, you know that you've turned it in for the day, and it'll say turned in. This is a great way for me to know that you've accomplished, or your student has accomplished their task, and it's kind of a nice way to be like check, check, and for them to go down their list accordingly. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm more than happy to walk this through for you if you need this through even like a live chat or anything like that. But feel free to watch this again. I know that this is something I was starting to train the students on, and then all of a sudden we had this longer dismissal. So I truly miss everyone. I hope that you're staying safe and you're making some great choices. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a fabulous night. Bye.